Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the new Nars Natural Longwear Radiant... No. The Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation from Nars. I got the shade Medium Dark 2 Tahoe. That's what I am normally in the Sheer Glow Foundation. So I'm excited to try this one out. When I first opened up the package, I was kind of like, they don't look the same, because I don't know if you guys can see, this one is a little bit darker than this one, and I did a little swatch on my hand and it was just kind of like a little off. So I really wanted to try it in natural lighting on my face to see if it's actually the same thing or if I might need a color one shade lighter. The foundation does come with a pump, which is amazing, because the last time I got the Sheer Glow, I had to go ahead and buy a pump from MAC. So I'm happy that it actually came with one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the foundation on with a little e.l.f. brush, stippling brush like this. Just gonna grab some of the product and then go ahead and bounce that right on top of my face. And lightly, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it in. Wow, from that little bit that I just picked up, it covered a lot. That's crazy. I'm just gonna really blend this into my face. Wow, that was really crazy, you guys. You really just need like, now I'm like, why is it like a little bit coming out in one pump? You literally probably only need 2 pumps. Wow, I did 4 pumps. Even though they're very small, like you would think that you need a little bit more, but you truly don't. Like, this is more than enough. Wow, 2 pumps is definitely more than enough. That is crazy. Wow, this is full coverage. Oh my god. I'm excited. I'm just gonna really blend that in. Blends it right into my under eyes as well. It even brightens up my under eye area, which I really like. That's cool. Now, what I am noticing is that the color is a little bit warmer than my neck. If you guys can see, it does look a little bit different. However, I usually go ahead and highlight with concealer anyway, so if it is a bit darker, hopefully it'll lighten up a little bit. I think I was right. If you look at it, do you see that? It is not as yellow as I would like it. Like, my skin is very kind of like yellow neutral. Even so, you can see the difference from my body. So I do think the foundation is a little bit darker. Probably in the summertime, when I get a little bit more color, it'll be fine. But I think for the most part, you don't really want that, right? I'm a little bit thrown off by the undertone of this. So I've been wearing this foundation for about 10 hours and it is still going strong. I did apply it with a brush and I really like it. My skin is perfectly dewy. It's not too oily. I normally get very oily in this area, which you can see a little bit. I feel like the foundation controlled it quite a bit, so I really enjoy that. Everything else is pretty darn smooth, so I'm liking it. None of my marks are showing or peeking through or anything like that, so I'm definitely a fan of this. It is not very thick. I literally just came back from the mall and I tried on Syracuse. It did work a little bit better, but what I've come to realize is I think I prefer something a little bit darker, because when I lighten and highlight my face, it lightens up the entire look. So this right now looks perfect. It does not look like out of sync or out of whack or anything like that. So I'm thinking that I like it. And then if I do anything that has flash photography, I won't get any type of flashback. My skin's gonna look very natural because of the darkness underneath. So I think this is pretty good. I'm not hating it. I think I would have to give it a couple more days though, to really see how much I'm obsessing over it, because I do know that the Nars Sheer Glow is something that I am like in love with so much, without a doubt. This one is not bad, but it's no Nars Sheer Glow. And if you are in the market for a new foundation, I would definitely say pick it up. It is great. You get such flawless coverage
with very little, like one pump, which pumps out like the tiniest bit, way smaller than that. You can definitely go ahead and cover like most of your face with that. But I think if you have very light marks on their face, nothing too crazy, nothing that you need extreme full coverage with, then I would absolutely recommend this. But you do get coverage, you can build it up. So it is like a medium to full coverage foundation. You can definitely build it up and you get quite a lot of coverage right on impact. So depending on how severe your marks are, I would absolutely say check this one out. If you really want something like extra full coverage, I would check out Estee Lauder Double Wear or the Huda Beauty foundation. But for me, I'm really enjoying this. I think it looks great, and I would for sure recommend. So 2 thumbs up, this one and this one.